expect to have what you believe is right for your family turned upside down.
And the information, the traps, the tools. I mean, that'll be life changing for us and our family.
Mm-hmm.
So, and hopefully we can teach it to them adequately to affect, future generations, all the way down. So it's not just us fixing us, but how we communicate with our kids, and how our kids communicate with each other, and then their future spouses.
And we now have an analytical map to follow step by step to get us through the conflict.
Roadmap.
Yep, instead of starting in conflict and not knowing where to go and staying in conflict, we can get out.
Yeah.
The teaching and the guiding in the family unit, it's okay to let go, and it's okay to let the process be authentic for everybody.
It's stuff that should be taught in school, right? It's stuff that should be taught to kids at a young age, and it's skills and techniques. The biggest thing, I think, are the techniques that, I've never heard anywhere else. And so it's very important to learn these so that you can be the best self and the best, relationship that you can be. And they're very applicable, they're very real, they're simple, if implemented, I think easy to follow.
Don't miss the importance of whole wellness, that the thoughts and being heart-centered greatly affects the mental health and the physical health. Like there's a homeostasis, there's a level of where everything has to work and balance to support the other systems, and one cannot be more prioritized over the other.
Work hard. If you put the hard work in and you committed to that, then you'll leave with tools that will change your life.